Hello everyone, join me, let's make this simple cake together. This cake has become my family's new favorite and I make it every week. It is so simple and very delicious. Into a bowl, we'll be adding half cup of butter, that is 115 grams, and 1 cup of sugar, that is 200 grams, and then we cream it very well. You can use your mixer to cream it or your balloon whisk, whichever one you prefer is fine. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and add 4 eggs, but we'll add 1 egg at a time and cream each time we add it, because if we add all 4 at the same time, the butter mixture will begin to separate and that is not what we want. Next, we'll be adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. You can add any other flavor at this point if you want, but I'll be using only vanilla because I'm making simple vanilla cake. Then we go ahead and add our milk. We'll be using half cup, that is 125 milliliters, and then we mix it to properly combine. Once that is done, it's time to add our dry ingredients. We'll be using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 240 grams, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, that is 9 grams. And then we go ahead and mix in our dry ingredients. Mix yours using a low speed. I mixed mine on high and the flour was everywhere. Start with low speed, then you can gently increase it to high if it's necessary. Now our cake batter is ready. Look at how gorgeous it looks. Now that our cake batter is ready, it's time to prepare our pan. I'll be using this square pan and I'll go ahead to spray some oil on it and then I brush the oil around the pan. You can use just parchment paper for yours or you can use butter and flour to grease your pan. After brushing oil on the pan, I'll also go ahead and add parchment paper to it. Then I'll go ahead to add half of the cake batter to it. And then we go ahead and add our secret ingredients, cocoa powder. We'll be adding 1/4 cup of cocoa powder to it. And then we go ahead and gently spread it across the cake batter. After that, we'll go ahead and add the rest of our cake batter. We'll be using it to cover the cocoa powder completely. This will give our cake a beautiful pattern once it's baked, and the taste is out of this world. Very delicious. We'll We'll go ahead and bake the cake in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit, or until skewer inserted in the middle comes out clean. After baking, transfer the cake to a cooling rack or tray. Take out the parchment paper. Allow to cool down completely before cutting right into it. Let's review the pattern. Look at that pattern. Look at how beautiful it is. And the cake tastes so good. Very soft and delicious. Will you be making this recipe at home? Let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions or recommendations for me, please write it in the comment section. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, and also feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones. If you're encountering this channel for the first time, please thank you for watching and kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. Also check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you love. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.